I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have an ASUS X509M model. The exact model for this one will be X509MA BR407TS, and that information can be found on the bottom label. And in this video I'm going to open it up the laptop. I'm going to show you guys how to replace the RAM or how to upgrade the RAM for this laptop. We have upgraded this laptop up to 16 gig with no issue. And on the manufacturer manual, if you call them support, they will tell you maximum that can go is 8. That is not true. You can go up to 16 gig, and we have upgraded to 16 gig with no problem. There is only one RAM DIMM available on this laptop. Some people will start commenting on the video comments, will say like a task manager says 1 out of 2, so there should be 2 stick. That's not true, because there's a miscommunication between the Windows OS and the motherboard, the chipset, that will show that there's a 2 RAM sticks, but there isn't actually physically installed. So that's the reason for that. And if you guys want to know what's your maximum RAM capacity for you want to see by yourself, there's no program you need to install or anything like that. I'm in a short video how to check your maximum RAM capacity. I'll leave that link in the video description so you guys can check it out. All right. We're going to power off the laptop and we're going to open it up. So turn it off, flip it upside down. This laptop is missing one screw in the middle, so keep that in mind. We're going to grab ourselves the screwdriver set. I'll be using the UFIXTEK screwdriver set. From this set, we're going to be grabbing a Phillips number 1. And we're going to start removing all the screws that we see on the bottom cover. And now there are different sizes of screws. The short ones are in the front row, and the medium ones, and the second medium, and the long ones are in the middle. So try to draw a little crooked and keep the screws in a different pile so you don't mismatch them. So I'm just going to remove all the screws. Also, if you guys like my videos, if you find my videos useful and helping you guys out, you can support the channel by clicking that like and subscribe. I'll greatly appreciate it. It helps and motivates me to make more videos, take requests, and answer your questions in the comment area. I appreciate that. Alright, now that we remove all the screws, so there are 3 types of screws: short ones, medium, and the long screws. Don't forget the one in the middle. Now, if you don't get the pro set of the UFIXTEK screwdriver set, get the basic set, and for the opening tool, you can grab yourself a guitar pick. And metallic guitar picks are really suitable to opening cases and covers, so grab yourself this one. This is a 0.3 millimeters. Once you have this one in, all you need to do is to stick the guitar pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest, just like that. Okay? And all you want to do, you want to twist it, and you want to hear that big click sounds. Those are the clicks that are getting loose. You want to work yourself all around in the front, to the side, go right by the ventilation right there, and do the other side. Once you do the side and the front, the bottom cover should come out pretty easy without no hassle. There we go. And right away we can see the battery, and the RAM is right over here. We can see obviously there's only one RAM DIMM available in here. There's no RAM DIMM space to install in the back one. And we see this horrible design for the cooling. This is ridiculous. So there's a fan blower right here that blows right straight over this component and goes this puny, horrible, like a aluminum cover that is on the CPU. That is really ridiculous. So the air has to travel through here, go over, and come through the other side by cooling down this heatsink. There's no heat pipe or anything like that. Anyway, that's for another topic. Now, to remove the RAM or replace the RAM, you do not need to remove the battery at all. It's absolutely not necessary. Alright, to remove the RAM, all you need to do is to put your fingers on the side of these 2 triggers and pull them away from each other, and the RAM will come out in 45-degree angle. All you need to do is to grab it and pull it back in a 45-degree angle. This is an 8 gig DDR4, so you can grab a 16 gig stick and bring it in and install it. Make sure the notch on the RAM matches the notch right on the DIMM right over here. So if you try to put it the other way around, it will simply not go through. You see the notch right there is not matching. So make sure the notches match, bring it down in 45 degrees all the way inside the jack, and then simply push it towards the motherboard, and you want to see these two triggers open and close, just like that. Once you have the new RAM in there, you can put the bottom cover and power it on and test it, or but don't put any screws or anything. You can power it on, test it, make sure the screen boots up, and then come back, power it down, and put the bottom screws. So down here, we're gonna put the short screws on the front, and the medium screws on the sides, and the long screws at the far back. Again, I hope you guys like this video and helped you guys out. If you have any question or requests, feel free to leave them in a video comment. I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.